Yeah, shot. Wow. Ooh.
Still ain't went right that time. Yeah.
You wanna go? Let's go look.
Oh,
let's go.
Sweet.
Let's go. Let's go. Ow! Ow! That's why you wear jeans out here.
Oh. Ow! Frick.
This is so cool.
Rick. That's not a cave.
I don't know what that is. It looks so cool though.
It's a little den for a bear.
I know. I want to go. I'm looking. Oh, dude, it's so steep.
Exactly. Let's go. What?
Get down here now.
What?
Dude, come here. It's so much bigger than we thought. It goes up under that. Do you see it now?
What?
Come to the edge. Come to the edge and you'll understand. Dude, it's so cool. This is awesome. Look at this. See, I told you it's so much bigger than we thought because we only saw that part.
Yeah. Well, that's actually really cool.
I know. There's another. We have another rock overhang over that way.
Have y'all never seen this?
No, I've never been over this way.
Really?
Yeah, because whenever I saw it, I was like, oh, we got to go. Because there's another one over there that man, Jacob, my cousin, explored. Well, you know which path we took. Oh, let's go. Now we'll try and go straight. God. You can barely see the trail, but I still know where to go.
Yeah. Rip a quad through here, side by side.
There's a rock overhang down that way.
Really?
Uh-huh. It's so steep, you can never get... They said you could barely get a golf cart. Fuck. We're so fucked if we can't get up this hill, because we can't get up that one. There we go. Okay, go on. Oh, crap. What do you think? Retreat. Oh, sorry. I'll move. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Okay. Imagine we were on the side-by-side.
Yeah. We wouldn't have any issues. And I'll show you it's empty. And then first thing you do, hold it and look at it's empty. Make sure it's empty. Yeah. Same thing. I just try, you know, there's just a lot of. Oh yeah. You understand what a gun can do. Yeah. So, I've been around guns since I was probably 5. And that's fine. I don't think I'm discrediting you or anything.
Oh, no.
I just, you know, I haven't been around you. So. Yeah.
Jump in the pond. It's like, okay. Pull. Got it.
Didn't get it. Nope.
Nope.
Get it.
Clipped it.
Barely. Nope.
How come I hit that one? I can't hit the other one.
Nope.
Come on. Got it.
Nope.
I'm not trying to hit the pin anymore. Grief.
Nice. You used the whole mag trying to shoot the pins. Good? Good? Good.
You good? Pull all the way back. You have to pull
Okay.
all the way back.
Wrong trigger. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
What?
You keep making it in the back. That's easy cleanup. Oh, you missed. Hitting the pin? Right pin.
What?
Right pin.
Right pin? Okay.
Got it. It's gonna end up unscrewing itself.
Nice.
You kept making all of them like in the back.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you missed one. I was like, ah.
I guess.
Put that thing in it. It's like. Do they have a hole strip made for it? It's like goes. It's like a sling.
Yeah.
Oh, he's wanting to shoot that thing so bad. I can tell.
What?
He's wanting to shoot this thing so bad. Ooh. Ooh.
I've never shot a handgun that big.
Me neither.
You
I'm
never
just
shot
waiting
that?
to. That's why I want to get that slow mo. It's like, boom.
You never shot that?
Huh?
You never shot that?
Neither of us.
Been shot. Really?
Is it brand new?
Ain't never been shot. Nice.
I want to get this slow motion in here.
Oh god.
That ain't that bad. I'm gonna shoot this 38. I don't remember if it's dual action. Hey, it's dual action.
What?
It's dual action. Woo!
It is dual action.
This is so cool! Ow.
You just wanna like be like cool, be like tink tonk instead of just pulling one trigger.
Yeah. Woo! Scared me, it's so tiny. How did I hit the left one? I was aiming for the right one. Alright. It's so...
You're a little far away, frat guy.
What the heck? There you go.
Got it. Keep getting it. Got that?
Oh my gosh.
You can do it.
Ah! What are you aiming for?
All the little targets.
Oh. Empty off the 38. Fire! What'd you want me to shoot? Just anything?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Oh, I'm just gonna shoot this target. Oh! Oh, that one hurt. That's awesome though. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh!
Right, Alex, shoot one.
Ow! Come here.
Oh god.
Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh. He didn't even wave. He just looked at me. Gonna go out to that trailer now.
Oh my God.
Now let's go this way.
Why are we leading to the side that I'm on? Oh God. 900 cc's. Holy shit. You just barely. 120. God. Ow. You're gonna get us killed.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Not even in 4-wheel drive. Like, no joke.
It's just the knobbies, bro.
I know.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I tell you.
I'd love to drift this thing.
It's so top heavy, you can't do it. See, like that. I saw it and I had my left foot on the brake.
Oh my God, Bryce. If you hit a tree. Oh, Jesus, that was so close.
We have a partial brush guard in the front. Didn't you see it?
Oh, shoot.
I know.
Oh my God, Bryce.
I've been driving enough to know. I've been driving this thing enough to know how.
You need to chill out.
To know its limits. Going from a golf cart to this is fun.
What? What'd you say?
Going from a golf cart to this is amazing.
Oh Jesus. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh my God. You straight up like connected that. You connected that corner and it was so good. Oh God.
Sorry.
This thing is 1 gear too.
I know, right?
God. Oh!
You want a phone?
Shit.
You want to call your mom? Go call your mom. I won't leave you, I promise. I need to pee anyway.
Okay.
Don't look. Turn the GoPro off. Sorry. That was full on full throttle. Oh shit. We favored that one side and I went, ah crap. Oh. That was awesome. Do it. Is the bird still in here?
Duh.
Oh!
Yup. You ready? I'm a disc golf. I'm a disc golf fan.
Okay, go. Right, not in the field, like over there in the trees.
That way?
Yeah.
Ready?
Do it. Oh, we're in the tree!
Shooting?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, do it. Oh, jeez.
Oh, we were drifting. Did you feel that?
Oh, we weren't?
Yeah, we were.
Not really.
Oh, God. Watch the mailbox. Oh, God. Oh, no, quit. Dude, I think the people live there. Why are they not passing us?
Oh, God. Ow, I almost saw.
Why are they not passing us? Here, I'll pull over for
Oh,
them.
God.
She's laughing.
Oh,
God.
oh, God. If we go to tip, I'm out. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. We two-wheeled.
punching you in the face. Oh God! Shut up!
You can't.
Well, hello there, good sir.
He's like, dude, look at him. He's looking in the mirror.
Oh God, it's a big truck. Hey, when you go by, honk honk.
No, we're just gonna go by like this.
Oh, that was sick. Oh, I almost got it. Oh God.
No.
Oh God. Hello.
So I got this footage of my friend Alex playing with my GoPro, and I thought you guys enjoy it. Well, enjoy.
Life of a what would you call this life of a gaming PC builder? Is that it?
Forgot.
Life of a what?
Forgot.
A forgot?
It's tight.
Nice.
Really far.
Is it in there all the way?
Should be.
Nice. The frick was that?
I didn't know. But my name is Kermit the Frog.
What,
I gotta freaking get this side case on.
who are you?
The side pan on.
Who are you?
Kermit the Frog. Oh,
You heard him. He's Kermit the Frog.
Alex, I need you.
What do you need?
I need 2 hands.
Okay.
4.
You need 4?
Alright, get over here.
Nice.
Here, hurry. I got it.
Wire management much?
I didn't do it.
You did.
I didn't build it, remember?
You didn't build yours?
I custom built it, but I didn't myself build it.
Oh.
I picked out the parts and Cyberpower built it. Alright, here.
You know, Ethan was talking smack about you the other day.
What, that I didn't build it mine?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know enough about computers whenever I got mine. So, here.
Yeah, all these people were like, your setup's really bad. And I'm like, guess what? I don't care.
How's your setup bad? You have dual monitors.
Because
And
it's
you have
not
a big
actually
PC.
monitors.
And my wire management sucks.
That's fine. A lot of other people's wire management sucks too.
That's what I'm not putting that tab in. Fudge! Oh, I forgot I didn't have a side case. Never mind.
Wow. We need to clean up your setup.
It's gonna get more dirty anyway.
Oh, you broke it. Well, I'm gonna put it in the substation. Boy.